All right. It's another one of those days. So, the goal for today was to sit down, strap in, and actually start finicking with the settings to get a good alignment in VR spaces. So, starting with places like VR chat and then move over to places like Resonite or even Chill Out VR. But there was an interruption. A garbage disposal had to be tinkered with, and all I managed to do after that was sort of mess around with some lingering questions in Blender, but I never really landed on a solution to any of those questions. But it did lead me to some hints as to where I could possibly get the answers for those questions. So all that really happened was kind of creating a list of solutions to test out later. And that process isn't entirely visual, nor is it really sort of all that interesting without the conclusion at the end. So, unfortunately, that's pretty much it for today. It was, well, I occluded the fact that I did a little bit of driving to a clinic, but then it was basically pretending to be a plumber and then creating a list of things that I have to test out later. I thought I was going to get some solutions today. Not the case. But hopefully, if everything runs as planned tomorrow and everything runs smooth and there are no interruptions in the middle, I should, at least as I think about it to right now, I should have some interesting things to show off tomorrow.